Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing all three of my Ipsys for March. I just did my BoxyCharm one yesterday, so I'll link that down below if you guys want to check out what I got in there. But yeah, I got all three of the Ipsy subscriptions this month. I did not plan to. I actually thought I had canceled the big ultimate box, but it turns out I had only put it on hold, I guess, so it ended up charging me for this month. So I was like, okay, whatever, like maybe it'll redeem itself and maybe I'll sign up again. So we'll see if it is worth it, because lately I haven't been loving the $50 box. But I do have the regular $12 Ipsy Glam bag, the Glam bag plus, which I believe is still $25, and then the ultimate, which is $50. So we'll go from smallest to biggest here and just pull out everything we got from these boxes. Okay, so I have two big items that were at the bottom. I'm not sure if I ordered stuff on their website or if these were extras. Let's see if it's on the card. Okay, so these are part of my products. Perfect. So the card this month is Celebrate You March 2020. This is your invitation to a celebration of our 100th Glam bag and you. Let's high five how far we've come and where we're going. To get the party started, we added a bonus product and a thank you for being along for the ride. Now, fun fact, I've actually been a Glam bag member since the very first Glam bag. I'm trying to remember if I even know what's in there, and I used to have a video of it, but I've since deleted a ton of my super older videos because they were extremely embarrassing. Did that a long time ago and I kind of regret it because I kind of wish I could go back to see them, but I do have some older ones still here. But it's really cool. I've stayed with them since the beginning. They were definitely rough at first, but I have really loved Ipsy, so I don't know, I'm glad to kind of be a part of their journey, and they've given me so much as well from going to their Ipsy events. So yeah, I just wanted to say a little love for them. But this is the Glam bag. It says 100th Ipsy Glam bag. That's so cool, and it's kind of a turquoise color with these studs, and then it has a bright kind of chartreuse colored zipper. The first thing that we got, which I'm really excited to try this, is a full-size Ofra bronzer in the shade Americano. Now, I'm not sure about this one because it has a lot of shimmer in it. I'm mostly a matte bronzer girl, but we will give this a shot. It says that it's a shimmery medium brown shade that can be used as bronzer to give your skin all over warmth, as a contour to sculpt your features, or as a beautiful eyeshadow. This retails for $35. And yeah, it's kind of nice they included like the full-size prices on here, so that's cool. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this. Okay, so it's not bad. It's definitely more that medium tone. It doesn't show up too shimmery, and I think it will blend out nice. So I'm excited to give this a try. I really do enjoy Ofra's products. We also got here, this is a little mini from the brand Kaolin. I've heard about this brand before. I think they're a Korean skincare company. This is their Blackhead O2 Bubble Pore Pack. This mask purifies and refines pores, eliminates blackheads and whiteheads, and exfoliates away dead skin cells. So that actually sounds perfect for me. I feel like my skin could use a really good mask right about now. Looks really interesting. This is what the texture looks like. It's really cool looking. So I'm excited to give that a shot. We also got here, this is another like a full size maybe from Pacifica. This is the Pacifica Wild Hemp infused eyeshadows. So this is a really nice size. It is kind of a full palette, not exactly a full size, but you could definitely get a lot of use out of this. The colors in here are gorgeous, honestly. The shades are Quartz, Dusty, Smoky Quartz, Tiger, and Crystal Flower, I think. Let me swatch. I'm not super impressed with the swatches here. They're all looking very similar swatched, but I don't know. It looks so pretty in the pan. Maybe I'll have to try it on the eyes and see, but it's a really nice size for getting it in the little $12 bag. The next thing we got is from the brand Sugar, and this is the Uptown Curl Lengthening Mascara. I don't think I've tried anything from Sugar. It says it's an ultra creamy fiber formula that adds dramatic length and volume. I'll go ahead and show you guys the wand. It's a really tiny wand, so I have kind of high hopes for this. I think it's going to be really good. I like the really skinny ones because I feel like I can really get in and really coat my lashes. And then lastly, I think I picked this. This is the Tatcha Water Cream. I really love this moisturizer, especially for oily skin. I feel like it's so nice. So I'm so glad that we got this in the little Ipsy bag because I could definitely use a nice size of this. And the full size is like $68, so it's pretty pricey. So that was in my regular Glam bag. I'm actually pretty pleased with this month's bag. I think they did a great job with this. And we got an extra product, which is nice. Moving on to the Glam Bag Plus here. First thing is what I picked out. I'm really excited to try this. This is from the Balm. This is the Girl Powder Cheeks on the Go. And I've tried their little eyeshadow palettes that are in this packaging, but this honestly looked so good. I love the Balm's cheek products. They're my favorite from the line. Their blushes and highlighters are so good. So this one comes with 4 shades. I think they're all newer. So they are Houston, Bourbon, Bleecker, and then Fifth. All right, so there is the swatches. Perfect pinky kind of blushes. They're all very different, and I feel like I could get a ton of use out of this. And this is actually the bag. So they usually do like a small, big, the small, medium, and large bags for the different boxes. It says Unstoppable on it, and it's kind of a little envelope. And then it has the bright color on the inside. It's a very interesting color scheme. Next we got something from the brand Malin and Goetz. It's their Revitalizing Eye Gel. I've heard of this brand. I haven't really tried anything from them though. I think this is the full size and it is retailing for $42. It helps soften lines, depuff bags, soothe irritation, and brighten up dark circles. So something that could be good for the mornings, I think. I also got this coffee scrub. I've gotten this in like a small Glam bag before, but it's kind of cool, but it's very, very messy in the shower. But basically, it's like coffee grounds and you use it as a shower scrub for the body. This retails for $21.99, which seems kind of high for this amount. It also has grapeseed oil, almond oil, and vitamin E in this product. We also got something from Serafine Botanicals, their Luna Liner Water Resistant Liquid Eyeliner. I'm not a big liquid liner person, so I think I'm gonna keep this in the box. I don't really want to swatch it or anything because maybe I could give this away. So I'm gonna set that behind me. But that liner retails for $18. I feel like I'm always getting liquid liners like every month. Next I got something from Yensa, which is exciting. This is a sister company to Pure Lease, if you guys have heard of them. But they only have like 3 products I think right now, but this must be a new one. It's their Yensa Super 8 Lip Oil. I have not seen this yet from them in the shade of Pink Shine. This retails for $24. This is what it looks like. It's so pretty. I've been getting more into the lip oils lately. I feel like they are very trendy. And this one smells so good. Usually they start out pretty sheer and then they kind of intensify. And then lastly, we did get a Complex Culture brush. I do really like their brushes. They're very soft. This is a very interesting shape, as you guys can see here. This one is the Precision Concealer Brush. Nice. So I actually do need another concealer brush, so I'm curious to see how this one is. This retails for $26. It says it gives a full coverage finish and an angled tip for ultra precise and even application when concealing your under eyes. So it looks nice. A little bit bigger than what I'm used to for a concealer brush, but I think it has the potential to be really good. And then here's that lip oil. It's getting a little bit darker here. So that was in my Glam Bag Plus. Overall, I feel like it's kind of half and half. I like half the products, and then half the products I'm not sure if I will use. So I think I will be doing a giveaway in this video, so stay tuned till the end. But otherwise, I'm really excited about the cheek palette and the brush and the Yensa lip oil. All right, now let's see if this $50 box was worth it. So here is the bag with this teal and bright yellow color scheme again. And I see a lot of products in here. Okay, so I'm not even sure what item was the one that I picked this month. I feel like I didn't like the choices, so I think I did surprise me. Alright, so the first thing we got is this little palette from Cella, which is kind of cool. I've known they've been popular for like their eyebrow products, but I've never tried their eyeshadow. So, ooh, this looks nice. This is what it looks like. And this is the La Vie Eyeshadow Palette Deluxe. This retails for $45. I will go ahead and swatch this because this definitely looks like something I would like. This pearl shades beautifully. You could definitely use that as a highlighter. The shimmers are very soft and they almost feel wet. So this is beautiful. I'm actually highly impressed with this. I think this could be a really nice everyday palette from Cella. The next thing we got is a face mask here from 111 Skin. I feel like this brand is pretty expensive. Did they include another one? Oh yeah, there's a duo. So it came with both of these, the brightening facial treatment sheet mask and celestial black diamond eye mask set for $47 for these. That's insane for like a one-time use, but it says no time for a facial, no problem. This mask pair will get you these glowy results in 20 minutes or less. So that could be interesting. I probably will keep these to try out because if I could do an at-home facial, that would be pretty amazing. Let's see. We also got... Ooh, we got some Sunday Riley in here. This is the CEO line. I don't know why, but this is like the only line that's in subscription boxes is their CEO line. Like they're just giving it away. I don't know. It makes me weary of trying them because I've had it in like FabFitFun. I've had it in Ipsy before, maybe even BoxyCharm. I don't even know, but yeah, I feel like they always include this. But this is the Vitamin C Brightening Serum. Retails for $42.50. It says it protects skin from the damaging effects of environmental damage, lightens dark spots, and minimizes the look of fine lines and wrinkles. I'm not sure how I feel about Sunday Riley after the whole Sephora scandal with them making fake reviews. That does not sit well with me, so I don't know if I will use this. I might put it in the giveaway. Okay, so the next we got this. It's in a very fancy packaging from Library of Flowers. It says American Small Batch Perfumery. We got a hand cream, maybe honeycomb. It's very beautiful, like the presentation of it. I have so many different lotions though, so I don't love getting them in subscription boxes. This retails for $20. I need like a scissors to poke through that so I don't feel like opening it right this second, but I most likely will test this out. It says it's packed with super moisturizers like shea butter, cocoa butter, and plant oils to smooth and soften even the most chapped skin. Next we got, it looks like a lip gloss from Thrive Cosmetics. This is the Glossy Lip Hydrating Serum in Ruth. I'm pretty sure I have a couple of these. I might put this one in the giveaway. But so far the stuff I've tried from Thrive Cosmetics I have really liked. So I do think they're a pretty good brand. This retails for $26 and it says it has a combo of vitamin B5 and time-release hyaluronic microspheres. Help minimize the appearance of fine lines for fuller, younger looking lips. Okay, and then we got some Pixi. This is the Glow Mist. This is one of their most popular products. It actually does give you a really nice glow. I do enjoy it. This retails for $15 and it does say it is formulated with 13 natural essential oils, aloe vera, and fruit extracts. So if you guys aren't into essential oils for the face, you might want to avoid this guy. We also got another complex culture brush. The boxes on these are actually very fancy. This is the angled foundation brush. I'm excited to give this a shot. I do like more flat, dense brushes like this for foundation, so I think it could be really good to kind of get around the different angles of the face. So I will definitely try that. Like I said, I have like the complex culture brushes that I've tried. That one retails for $35. There's so many products in here, you guys. The next thing we got is from the brand Color Club, and I feel like this is a really nice set of nail polish. This is the Get a Mauve on It and Oh Hell No polishes. These look very gorgeous. This retails for $17. Get a Mauve on It is a brownish mauve, and then Oh Hell No is gold chunky glitter. These look so pretty. I can't wait to try those out. Most of the rest of these are like little sizes, so I'll just go through these fairly quickly. I'm really excited to see this in here. You guys know I love this stuff. I actually talked about it in a recent Sephora haul. It's the Christoph Robin Cleansing Purifying Scalp Scrub. This stuff is the best. I've tried other scalp scrubs, but this one, seriously, it makes my hair squeaky clean. No oiliness, no residue. I'm obsessed with it, and I can usually go longer between washes using this stuff, so I highly recommend it. We also got a little mini Youth to the People cleanser, which I'm excited about because I really want to buy the full size of this. It's very good. It's a very good option if you guys want something fragrance-free, a gentle cleanser that's not going to harm the skin, and just something easy. This is it. This is the Youth to the People Kale and Green Tea Spinach Cleanser. I would have loved to get this in a bigger size because I love that stuff. We did get a little mini Hemp's lotion. This is the Sweet Pineapple and Honey Melon. I love Hemp's. I have not tried this scent, but I'm not usually a big fan of pineapple, but it's not as potent in this one. So I will give that a try. But yeah, the hemp slime is very good. And then we also got a little mini from Hey Honey. This is the Colloidal Gold and Honey Beauty Mask. And then we got a little mini from Go-To, which is their Face Hero. What is this? I haven't heard of this brand, so I might have to look this one up actually. It says it's going to hydrate parched skin, help brighten dull complexions, and soothe inflammation. So that could be very good. So that is actually everything I got in my Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate. I think they actually did a decent job this time. I will give it to them, but sometimes it just feels like product overload with this one. I would say if you're wanting to try the Ultimate, maybe only do that one. Maybe skip the other two. Or if you're not a fan of the Ultimate, I would maybe do the regular bag and the medium one, the Glam Bag Plus. The Glam Bag Plus usually doesn't let me down, but the Ultimate actually seemed to be pretty good this month. I will give them that. The other months they struggled a bit, but I feel like they're finally kind of catching on. So I'm thinking, I don't know, I might try it again, but it's so expensive, so we'll see. I guess I'll wait and see what the choices are for next month and go from there if I want to skip again, because it's a lot of money. So I would just do like one or the other in my opinion. So I almost forgot to do the giveaway. I have these 4 items here that will be part of it, including the Serafine Liquid Liner, the Thrive Cosmetics Gloss, this coffee scrub, and then the Pixie Glow Mist. So that is the prize. There will be one winner. I will pick the winner 2 weeks from today, and all you have to do is A, be subscribed, and B, leave a comment down below if you are signed up for Ipsy or if you have been before. That's everything for my 3 Ipsies. Let me know what your thoughts and opinions are. If you guys got anything really cool in yours, I would love to know. But that's it, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.